Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Today we are diving into the world of modular kitchens and discovering why they are becoming a must-have in modern homes. Modular kitchens are designed to bring style, convenience and efficiency to your cooking space. Let's explore the top advantages of having a modular kitchen. First up, aesthetic appeal. Modular kitchens come in a variety of designs, colors and finishes that can be customized to match your home decors. Whether you prefer a contemporary look or a classic look, there's a modular kitchen for everyone. Next, space optimization. Modular kitchens are designed to make the most of every inch of your kitchen space with smart storages, solutions like pull-out drawers, corner units and built-in appliances. You'll have a place for everything. Keep your kitchen clutter-free and organized. Another big advantage is easy installation and maintenance. Modular kitchens are prefabricated and can be quickly installed by professionals. This means less disruption and a faster setup plus. The modular components make it easy to replace or repair specific parts without having to redo the entire kitchen. Next, durability and quality are a paramount. Modular kitchens are made from high quality materials designed to withstand the rigors of daily use. This ensures your kitchen looks great and functions well for years to come. Next, customization is key. Modular kitchens are highly adaptable to your needs. You can choose the layout, materials, colors, and accessories to create a kitchen that suits your cooking style and preferences. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more home improvement tips and ideas.